I have a radio, a very old Camwood radio installed into a Kia Soul. It's a 2019 model Eco Electric. So what I did is usually I start installing the antenna first. This bracket was kind of modified by their shop mechanic. So I had different bracket. It kind of works with the this type of fender, but was not perfectly. So I thought instead of spending like a half an hour trying to use the vise and some hammer or some some hand tools to modify an original bracket that was made for a Toyota, I guess, the mechanic said, let me do this type of task and you do something else. So he made this bracket with some sort of a spacer. So don't copy this idea. It works fine. I put actually the mechanic put a Velcro just to prevent the hood when being slammed to rub and chip the paint on the hood to rub against this bracket. So there is about 3 mm clearance. So I have this kind of a cheap antenna